What's up guys, Joel back with you for another video here on the Snap-on Tool Review. Today we have a mail call. Alright guys, welcome back. As I said, we got a mail call today. This one I've been trying to get to for a couple of weeks. I still have a couple more to do, and I apologize guys. Just been very hectic, very busy the last couple of days. But we are getting back on track. So if you noticed, I am in my office today using the green screen. So day off work. It's a holiday. It's also my day off normally. So so this one comes to me from Jim over at JRC54. That's a YouTube channel, JRC54. If you haven't checked out his channel, I urge you to do so. Super nice guy, does a lot of tool giveaways, and he's a shop owner, something that I am trying to progress to at some point. So I wanted to show you this. It's a box. It's heavy. It's really heavy. Oh man. Jim, you're a cool guy. Anyway, I don't know if I'm going to read the letter. All right, what the hell? I'll read the letter. It's I guess it's pretty good. Okay, Joel. Hey Joel, let me start off by saying I'm sorry to hear about your mom. I lost my grandma a few months ago. I guess you guys were close. It sucks, man. I know what you're going through. I finally got a chance to send the tools to you. Added something a little extra. Hope you dig them. The IM31A is not an antique yet, but it's old and awesome. I had it rebuilt about 6 months ago for my collection, but decided I would like you to have it for your Snap-on collection instead. The half-inch ratchet I actually acquired from an old Toyota Tech. Hope that and the 1/4 inch fit nicely into your ratchet drawer. I am quickly running out of room. I'm hoping I'm going to fit these in here. I looked already. The 1/4 inch for sure. The half inch might be a little bit tight, but I own a shop now. But I know starting off 15 years ago it was hard. I do these tool giveaways on my channel to help the younger techs in the industry have an easier time starting out. The first 5 or so years is rough between buying tools, paying student loans, etc. I also do tool haul reviews, do how-tos, tips and tricks, and talk about things in automotive industry on the channel. So if you can give my channel a shout on your channel, JRC54, thank you. On behalf of YouTube and the whole tool community, thank you for all your videos and all your hard work, Jim. JRC54. Jim, thank you very much for the letter. It means a whole lot to me. And since we've also talked, and I've had these for a couple of weeks now, I have checked out a bunch of Jim's videos. Again, super good guy. Cool little shop that he owns and runs. Let's get into the nitty-gritty here. All right, got some cardboard, got some shop rags. Shop rags. Can never have enough shop rags. Got 3 of them. All right, got a boot for an IM31A 3/8 drive ratchet, or 3/8 drive impact, newly rebuilt. And yeah, I still haven't got around to rebuilding my my 325, so that's coming too. I got the rebuild kit for it. Well, not a rebuild kit, it's actually just the selector valve I have to replace, so you guys look out for that video. So anyway, IM31A, I'm gonna put this to use, Jim, because until well, hopefully, yeah, anyway, sent me a 1/4 inch ratchet, or sorry, a 1/2 inch ratchet. This is a 71L or 71N. I can't, if you guys can see that. It's been rebuilt. Obviously it's got the, or maybe it hasn't, because it has the brass It's been restored though, somewhat. It's, oh man, this is so cool. The date stamp on it is really unclear. I'm gonna have to get a magnifying glass and look at that one. Got the grease lip on the top. These are probably from the 20s, 30s area. I will have to get a good look at the date stamp on there. Maybe Jim, you already know what year it is. So thank you for that. And then we got a military issued 1/4 inch MV71, little 1/4 inch ratchet. This is probably from the 20s, 30s, maybe 30s maybe. Anyway, super cool. This one's in really nice shape. I have another one in my snap-on drawer already. And yeah, this was, oh man, they all work so nicely. I am so happy. Man, that's chunky. Could you imagine using one of these ratchets back then? And just the swing arc is just horrible on them, but you know what? They're so cool and they're so collectible. And I love getting stuff like this in the mail, guys. I really, it's one of those things that makes my life so much better, and I appreciate every single time something like this happens, like so much. So anyway, these are going to be going into my ratchet drawer. Hopefully this 1/2 inch fits. We'll find them. We'll stuff it in somewhere. So anyway, watch out for that. I'll show you guys in like Wednesday, like Snap-on Wednesday or something like that, or another video. So anyway, guys, as far as updates on the channel, I'm trying to get back more into producing more videos. It's just been a rough go for the last couple of weeks, just getting settled back in after the loss of my mom and all that kind of stuff. So anyway, life goes on, and so does this channel, has to go on, and because I love doing this stuff for you guys. So I really appreciate everything. I really appreciate your letter and your tools that you sent me, Jim. From the bottom of my heart, thank you. And yeah, anyway guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to comment, like, share, subscribe. Check me out on Instagram, Patreon, Facebook, and all those other social media outlets. And peace out, guys. I will see you in the next one. Thank you. Oh, hey, you're still here. Cool. Well, considering you're still here, this link up here will get you subscribed if you're not already. Remember to hit that bell notification so you guys get notified when I upload a new video. This one down here, that is the merch link, so you guys can get sweet ass shirts like this. And that one right there, that is the most recommended video for your viewing pleasure. Sit back, relax, enjoy the next couple of seconds. Thank you.